gaki. Gaki means school term. This word is from gaku. Gaku means learn or study or science, right? But ki means the term. It means the distance, right? So this means the distance or the interval of the school, right? So when we put the kanji that means school and the kanji that means the interval or the distance together, it can be like school term, right? School term, you have the long or several months, right? So I see here we have example like Suzuki-san no gakkou wa laiketsu kara ni gakime ni harimasu. Suzuki-san no gakkou wa laiketsu kara ni gakime ni harimasu. It means Suzuki-san's school will start the second term in next month. In here we have ni gaki, right? If just about gaki means the school term, but we want to say the second term of the school, we can say ni gaki me. Me is mean the number, right? For example, 1番目、2番目, right? This means the original number. So when you put 2学期目, it means the second term. Or 1学期目, it means the first term. 3学期目, it means the third term, right? So this is about how to count for the school term. So in here we have 2学期目, it means the second term. に入ります, it means enter to or entrance to the second term. Like its color, it means in next month. Or if you want to create a sentence like 来月からは何書き目に入りますか? 来月からは何書き目に入りますか? Which means what is the term that your school will start in next month, right? What is the term that your school will start in next month?